Hello, welcome back. Thank you for watching our online videos, our online lesson videos. In our continuation of our topic, our environment, we shall still continue with the topic, with the subtopic, weather changes around us. And in this video, we shall be discussing about the different types of rains, the definition of rain, and how the rain is formed. I am Kazuba Pius and thank you. Please follow along. Rainfall is simply water falling from the sky. We have three major types of rainfall. We have convectional rainfall, which is the type of rainfall which occurs when the heated air from the Earth's surface rises upwards along with the water vapor and gets condensed when it reaches a higher altitude. Here, the clouds carrying the water vapor are not carried away from the area by the wind, and hence it rains in that same place. What do we mean? We mean that condensed water vapor is not blown away to another place by the wind, but it rains where it has been condensed in that same area. We have orographic or relief rainfall formed when air is forced to cool when it rises over relief features in the landscape such as hills or mountains. It rises, it cools, condenses and forms rain. We have another major type of rainfall which is cyclonic or frontal rainfall. Rain is caused when a warm and moist air mass meets a cool and dry air mass. Like in the illustration below, cyclonic rainfall is formed as a result of air cooling and condensing in after a warm and moist air mass meeting with a cool and dry air mass to form rainy clouds and therefore produces rains. The water cycle or the formation of rain. How is rain formed? When the sun hits the ocean or any water body, that water evaporates. The water in the ocean or the water in the water body evaporates in form of water vapor. It evaporates and rises into the air. That water vapor cools and condenses to become droplets, which form clouds. If enough water condenses and drops become heavy enough to fall to the ground as rain and snow. When those raindrops are heavy, they fall to the ground and it is what we call rainfall. Some rain collects in ground wells, the rest flows through rivers and back into the oceans or various water bodies like streams, rivers, and etc. We have various advantages of rain. Rain helps provide us with fresh water, helps to sustain the environment by supporting plant germination. We all know that one of the main elements of germination is moisture, which moisture contains air and water, which water comes from the rain. Therefore, it helps us to sustain the environment by supporting plant germination. It helps detoxify the atmosphere and also to reduce the dust in air. Disadvantages of rain. However much rain is so good, it has some few disadvantages to man or human being. It causes mudslides, which in some instances leads to death of animals and human beings. It causes flooding, which hinders transportation and also business. It causes soil erosion. We know soil erosion. Sometimes soil erosion can wash away the roads, which hinders also still transportation and movement of our goods. Rain leads to contamination of water in the water bodies. When it rains, rain causes mud to flow into water bodies or rivers, which leads to contamination of the clean water in the water bodies. Let us look at another, which is sunshine. Sunshine refers to the warmth and light given by the sun's rays. The warmth and light given by the sun's rays. Advantages of sunshine. Sunshine aids in photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process through which green leaves or green cover makes food. It helps in rain formation. Sunshine helps in rain formation. When the sun hits water bodies, it causes water to evaporate in form of water vapor, which forms rain after condensing. It helps us to dry our crops, like our maize after it has matured, and we want it to dry and keep some as seeds for the next planting. The sun helps us to dry our seeds. Dangers of sunshine. The sun is very good, but it also, like the rain, has some dangers, like dehydration. Assuming if you're exposed to the sun for a long period of time, you become dehydrated, your skin starts to peel. The sun also causes drought. It causes eye injuries, like high exposure of eyes to the sun's rays leads to injuries to the eyes. Thank you for watching this short video. It has been brief, but I hope and think you have picked something. You may rewind it as many times as you could so that you grasp the concept. Thank you for watching. I remain yours, Kazwa Bias.